the promise of your harvest. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If you're new here, welcome. I'm the OCDist chick. Welcome back to the garden. Have you ever wondered if you can grow a thriving, delicious harvest right from your own backyard or balcony? The answer is a resounding yes. In this video, I'll show you how to harvest some of my favorite urban garden superstars: figs, Swiss chard, and more. To harvest figs, wait until they're soft, drooping, and have a soft neck. Gently fill the fig. A ripe fig will be soft to touch, but not mushy. Look for a change to the mature color for your fig variety. A ripe fig will often start to droop or bend on its stem. Heavy rain caused the fruit to expand too quickly and split. A ripe fig should detach easily from the tree with a gentle lift and twist. Today is a perfect harvesting day, and I'm so excited to share what's ready to be picked. I'm an urban gardener growing in Maryland, Zone 7B. You don't need a lot of space to have a successful garden and harvest. I grow tomatoes in the ground, lettuces and herbs in raised beds. I also grow in grow bags. Let's go ahead and harvest this Swiss chard. It is ready for picking. This stunning Swiss chard is truly a superstar in my garden. This plant is a powerhouse, giving you fresh greens all season long. The key is to harvest the outer leaves first, leaving the inner ones to keep growing. This, my friend, is called the cut and come again method, and it maximizes your yield. By harvesting regularly, you prevent the plant from getting too big. You all know how I like them, young and tender. It also helps with pest management. A week or two from now, we'll be back for more. Garden netting is a game changer. Just drape it over your pest-prone plants or your entire beds to protect them from insects, birds, and other wildlife. I definitely noticed the difference from previous years when I did not use it. I actually need to purchase more clips so that I can secure it even better. I have noticed a few worms in the soil, probably gotten in there from me just not securing it the best way that I can, and also sometimes they're already there under the soil. Checking the underside of leaves is a vital gardening task for early detection of pests and diseases, which often hide or lay eggs there. This proactive approach is part of an overall maintenance routine that keeps plants healthy and productive. All parts of the nasturtium plant, including the flowers, leaves, and young seed pods are all edible. They have a peppery flavor. I love planting flowers at home. They provide a wide range of benefits, including boosting mental health by reducing stress and improving mood. Who doesn't love that? Also enhancing the environment by attracting pollinators.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. ELOC rolling deep, can't break that.
You guys, I'm so excited to be growing corn. Whenever I grow corn, it's never good. Normally the pests eat it before I can, but this year I planted it later in the season. It seems to be okay with the cooler weather, so this might be the thing for me. Maybe instead of planting it in early spring, I'll plant it in August. So we'll see if I actually get corn this year. To be determined.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
My fall seedlings are doing pretty well. This is cilantro, and I have a few brassicas mixed in here as well. One would assume that cooler temperatures would slow down the growth of pepper plants. Here in Maryland, my pepper plants are actually flourishing in cooler temps. Popping these in my mouth. Oh, they're so good. Mm-hmm. Surprised how much juice there is in these tiny little tomatoes. But when I tell you they pack a punch, wow, I would definitely grow these again. Wow. There's so many of them too. And here it is. Look at all of this amazing produce grown right here in my small urban space. It's so rewarding to bring a fresh, healthy meal straight from your garden to your table. I hope this video inspires you to start your own urban garden harvest. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and garden tours. I love to know what you're harvesting from your garden. Let me know in the comments below. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.